What's going on, everybody? So you might be curious how to make your own AI assistant for whatever type of assistant you might want to make, or even one you could just add to your e-commerce website. And today I'm going to give you a quick product demo of our new SaaS product called Smarter Chatbots. And basically it's an AI studio, so you can create your own AI assistants. If you have a website, you can scrape your website. If you have documents, you could upload those documents. If you just want to prompt it and make it fun, you could prompt it and make it fun. Then with one click, you could easily deploy it. So let's just jump into it. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to smarterchatbots.com and you're gonna sign up for the free trial where you'll get free access until the end of the year. But if you contact us, we'll continue your free access if you wanna keep trying it out if you're not quite ready. So what you're gonna first do is log in and create a new assistant. It has a really cool interface, so you could customize the theme to match your brand. So today we're gonna create a one for fitness. So let's say I want a personal trainer, personal trainer, right? And yeah. So we're gonna change the avatar and we're gonna generate something that's like athletic. So a personal trainer. I don't know, we'll just see what it generates. You could be more fun if you are more creative than I. And then I think for the personal trainer, we want to go with something red or something, that gets you going. So we're going to go with the red. But we also have a gradient, which could be cool. No, we'll go with the gradient today. So this looks like something morning, going for a run. She's a personal trainer. So we'll go with that. You save your theme has been saved. And if you go to your dashboard, now you get magic suggestions, which actually teach you how to build your assistant and make it better over time. You could test out your assistant. You could see some analytics like the total conversations, average conversation replies, how long it's taking your chatbot to respond. For instance, when you change the prompting and the different the prompting methods you use, like only reply in 1 to 2 sentences, it's gonna reduce this time drastically versus if it has to look through your documents, search, and provide a long format text to that user. So this will all show, you'll be able to see this, and then you'll also be able to see these messages go away as you train your chatbot. And let's go through and do that. So first thing first, we're gonna wanna add an initial greeting message. So we're gonna go to training, set up our welcome message, and here's a few examples. Well, I like this one, but actually I want something more personal training. So we have this little assistant down here and say, give me a greeting message for a personal trainer AI that will help me follow a workout and diet routine. Right? Because that's the hardest part. If you could get the routine down and the diet down, you could get in shape, right? Cool. So here's a message and we're just gonna go with that. So, because I like it. And yeah, so hey there, fitness enthusiast, ready to crush your fitness goals? I'm here to support you with your workout and nutrition tips. Let's get moving. Cool, so that was easy enough. We're just gonna save that so we have it in there. And if we go see our chatbot now we have our assistant, it's all customized. We have our own message and say, hi. We haven't really trained it yet, so it's not gonna know anything. It's just known to be a fitness talk, right, bot? But now we need to actually train it on what it's supposed to do, So if you come here down to magic suggestions, you see the first one, add a greeting message, is gone because we added a greeting message, and now we're training our assistant's response style. So what we're gonna do is go back to training and create a persona. So help me answer in 2 sentences max. Use emojis. push me to follow my workout routine and help track my diet. Cool. So now we have that in there. And just so you can see the difference, use workout emojis. Just so you can see the difference before we actually train it on some long form content. But what you can see now, you have a message, which is cool. But now what you can do is, what are we doing today workout wise? You know, each day, one day's arms, one day's lower body, one day's cardio, one day's maybe mental health, you know? And cool, so what you could see now is now you have emojis and it's answering in very concise 2 sentences. So let's hit that total workout. Today, we'll focus on squats, push-ups, planks, 3 rounds for a full burn. Okay, so now here's the thing. Now, it's sort of responding how we want, but it doesn't actually have our workout routine. So now we're gonna add a knowledge source. So if we go back to training it again, come down to knowledge source, you could see you could add from a website, you could add a document, or you could add a text prompt. The way I think we're gonna do it today is we're gonna find a workout routine online. For men, the ultimate guide. Yeah, so this looks like a decent workout routine. So we're just gonna copy this, and this is usually for your own website, but I've been using it just for whatever. And you scrape the website. It comes back with some social media links it found from the scraping. We don't need any of these since we're mainly just focused on the workout routines that were involved. But if you read here now, it went through the page and it got the whole workout routine for us, as well as all these YouTube links. But we don't want any of these because these are more so if it was your website of your business and it was scraping through, you'd want your YouTube links. So when the chatbot, a user asked the chatbot a message, it would be able to give a YouTube link or wherever the social media links is. But yeah, so we'll just remove these so it doesn't ruin anything. And save this scraped data. And we're pretty much done with our assistant. We have a personal assistant. If we go back to our assistant, we'll test it out now. And we'll say, hey, what are we doing today? Now we shouldn't even need to mention a workout if we trained our assistant correctly. So today we're gonna tackle a full body workout. We're gonna start with a barbell squats, then hit a flat barbell press, and finish with the seated cable row. Keep pushing. So let's say you finish one of the workouts. Okay, so I finished my barbell back squat. Actually, what is a barbell back squat? So a barbell back squat is an exercise where you place the barbell on your upper back and squat down, bending your knees and hips to the hips. It's great for building strength in your legs and lower muscle. Okay, so it's more so a leg workout. I see what's going on with that one. I know what the bench press is, but cool. So finished that. What's next? And then how many reps? And then aim for 3 to 5. It's getting this from here. So yeah. You could even prompt it a little better. So let's have a little bit more fun with it. Okay. So now we actually know what we provided it. So we provided it a workout routine for men. I provided you a workout routine for men today. Each day, starting from day 1 walk me through my workout for that day. Cool. Easy enough. Go back again. All right, so today's Monday. What day is today? Today's Thursday. And then awesome, let's tackle upper body today. Start with the 4 sets overhead. So it's pretty cool. You don't need to think about the workout you do. And yeah, if I had my own workout routine, like I like to run a lot, I can now send this out to friends, right? So let's say I'm a personal trainer. I put my diet routine for my client into this, prompt it how I want, and now I have an AI version of me as a personal trainer I could send out to people to help them 24/7 with their fitness and dietary goals. And yeah, so we're not gonna add a quick reply. So the next thing we're gonna do is just share with friends. So all you have to do to share with friends is push this deploy now button, and you instantly have a QR code. So if you scan this now, you'll be able to use this personal assistant in your phone. You could go add it to your website. So we actually created a JavaScript code snippet here, an actual widget that does a lot of stuff behind the scenes, but you could embed this anywhere. Shopify, WordPress, HTML, pretty much anywhere. A public URL, of course, which if you're using the QR code, it goes to the same place. And you have a REST API for developers, even though we're for the non-tech focused. And yeah, that's pretty much a full video and a full demo of our assistant or AI assistant studio creator. And you could see your conversations and track them and delete them to change around your analytics if you're playing around with it. And then from now on, all you have to do is track here, monitor your responses, and over time you'll get more suggestions on how to improve your assistant based on how it's talking to your users or your customers or your friends or whoever you're giving it to. And that's all I got today, folks. You guys have a good one. Bye.